Hey builders, I'm Jade Lawrence, and this is my lightning fast tour of Rivalidate for base batches. Right out of the gate, we lean on base primitives, smart wallets for gas abstracted sign-ins, Basenames for human-readable IDs, AgentKit for on-chain AI actions, and Coinbase Commerce for USDC checkouts. Everything you'll see runs completely on Base. Recruiters drown in unverifiable resumes, candidates overclaim, and HR spends weeks chasing proof. We need an instant trust layer. Rivalidate solves this with 4 roles plus an AI agent. Candidates collect credential NFTs. Issuers, schools, bootcamps sign them. Recruiters verify with one click. Admin governs plans and roles. And a base agent kitbot acts on chain when anyone types swap, fund, or mint. Under the hood, did registry mints did base IDs, credential NFT anchors, credentials, only issuer platform or AI agent wallets can mint. Subscription manager accepts ETH-A, Next.js UI talks to these via WAGMI, while AgentKit drives contract calls inside a smart wallet whose address we can query at runtime. If you want to run locally instead of using the live site, here's how. Clone the repo and run pnpm contracts deploy. That single command deploys our 3 on-chain pillars: DI'd registry, credential, NFT, and subscription manager to your chosen network. When hard hat finishes, copy the addresses printed in the deployment log and paste them into your projects.env. Finally run pnpm build and pnpm start and open http://localhost:3000. You're now running Rivalidate entirely on your own computer. I connect my wallet, pick the issuer role, and hit create DID. One click later, the registry mints did base for my organization. I fill out name, domain, and industry, then wait for admin approval. Now let's switch to the admin view. Issuers. I open the issuer list and see pending organizations. With one click, I can verify or reject each applicant. Subscription plans. Prices are way too high, 5 ETH and 10 ETH. Navigate to subscription plans in the sidebar. Enter 0.001 ETH for the base plan and 0.01 ETH for Plus. Hit Update Plan Settings, sign the transaction, and the Subscription Manager contract records the new prices. Refresh the public pricing page. Notice the updated numbers instantly reflect on-chain. Role Manager. The platform needs to trust our on-chain AI. Click the chat bubble, ask Agent, what's your wallet address? Copy the address it returns. In Role Manager, paste that address and grant it AI agent privileges. Now the agent can mint DIDs or issue credentials on behalf of the platform, safely governed by role-based access in our contracts. As a candidate, I first create my own DID. Next, I add a test degree credential, choose an issuer for review, and click Request Verification. The status flips to pending. Before moving on, I open Skill Check and take an AI-graded quiz. I score 90, which means I pass. The platform then issues a Skill Pass NFT to my wallet. I just confirm the transaction, and the credential appears under my profile with the platform DID as the issuer because it's issued directly by Rivalidate, not a human issuer. I can even view the transaction on the Blockchain Explorer. For the test degree credential the candidate submitted earlier, the issuer opens verification requests, reviews the evidence, and approves it with a single signature. The credential instantly flips to verified on the candidate's dashboard. The entire transaction is written on-chain, and because the platform covers gas fees, the issuer can approve or reject credentials seamlessly. Recruiter journey. I start on the pipelines page and create a new job opening. Next, I jump to talent search, where I can filter for candidates with verified credentials only, search by name or skill, and multi-select anyone I want to add to my pipeline. When I open a candidate's profile, I click Generate AI Summary for a 1-paragraph overview. Then I hit Why Hire. The AI lists pros, cons, and even suggests the best pipeline stage. In this case, it recommends back-end engineer. I add the candidate to that pipeline, open the board, and drag them from source to screening to interview to offer as the process moves forward. Every credential card shows a green verified badge. I can copy the VC JSON, view the credentials profile, or click View Transaction to see the on-chain mint. Here it shows minted 7 minutes ago, proving authenticity. SkillPass NFTs are listed too. Their transactions point to the platform DID as issuer, whereas the degree credential shows the external issuer who co-signed it. The floating chat bubble opens the AI agent. First, I ask for the agent's wallet address and current balance. It reports 0 Ethereum. Next, I request test funds from the faucet. The agent thinks for a moment, receives 0.1 Ethereum, and returns the transaction link visible on Basecamp. I then confirm that agent's new balance, now 0.1 Ethereum, and ask it to send 0.00001 Ethereum to my wallet. The agent prepares the transfer, broadcasts it, and my wallet balance rises to 0.00011 Ethereum, proving the transfer worked and that I can now pay gas on chain. Finally, I ask, what actions can you perform? The agent replies that it can get wallet details, balance network, wrap ETH to wet fetch price feeds, transfer native or ERC20 tokens, request faucet funds on supported testnets, deploy ERC20, NFT, or other contracts, swap assets on Uniswap Viv to mint a decentralized ID. Since my account already has a DID, the agent correctly refuses to mint a second one. When a team upgrades, the checkout button calls Pay Subscription on-chain. To pay in stablecoins, click Coinbase Pay. After confirmation, the subscription activates, or if funds are low, it prompts a top-up. For the consumer track, Rivalidate becomes a personal credential vault. Learners can collect NFTs for courses, hackathons, and in-game achievements, all shown in a single wallet and surfaced under their Basename identity at no cost. These are only a few of the features I could squeeze into this short demo. There's a lot more under the hood. Check the video description for the live site link and explore the full feature set at your own pace. I'm Jade Lawrence. Fork the repo, mint your DidBase, and let's make hiring trustless. Thank you.